Hello and welcome to another Acid Rain review. Today I've got the Puppet Container Guard. We've seen a very similar one before with the Abaddon Puppet. Now this guy's red. I do love the packaging. Oh, look at him. Sorry, I have no words. I'm just, flabbergasted by the detail as always. Oh, look at him, he is amazing. The camera's not doing him justice. I'll put photos on the Instagram later on. Alright, so we've got the puppet himself, the container that he can guard, and we're almost into the weapon. A little stiff there, but that's alright, to be expected. He's brand new out of the package. Now let's see if we can't get him to stand up on his own. So the container padded with sponge, so you know he's going to get to you safe and sound. Just blown away by the detail. I didn't actually think I'd be able to pick one of these up. I thought it was an exclusive, but then there it was for sale, so I grabbed it. Don't have a lot more to say about this guy actually. Detail is amazing. Joints are a little bit stiff because he's brand new. He is going to look great guarding any container you might have. So as always, thanks for watching, I do appreciate it. I would buy one if you can. I love the Acid Rain line, so I try and pick up everything I can. And obviously I show you what I've got and tell you what I think. So I think this guy is amazing. I kind of want to get another one. But yeah, thank you for your time, I do appreciate it, and this guy's awesome, so go grab one.